hold general meetings digitally and easily? It's possible. You can set up the general meeting at the click of a button. Register your company on Dowra, upload the share register, and get started. First, you set the agenda items. Add documents, such as the annual report. Your shareholders will get an invitation with all the details and a personal access link. With a few clicks, the proxy can be appointed before the general meeting. On the day of the general meeting, the shareholders can conveniently vote live via cell phone or computer. The Personal Voting Right token lets shareholders uniquely identify themselves and easily exercise their voting rights. You and the shareholders will see the results in real time. The voting result is recorded on the Dowra blockchain infrastructure. The GM protocol is always available. Register your company today at www.dowra.ch.